Howdy. Just wanted to make a quick video of my mosin nagant M44 carbine that I recently purchased from firearms.com. Ordered it about 1 week ago. Received it in today. As you can see, quality is very good. A couple scratches here and there, nothing too bad. Couple black marks there to be expected. This particular model is out of the, looks like Tula factory, 1944. What I can gather, looks like major mechanical pieces have matching numbers. This is always a plus. The handguard looks to be a replacement. It's a little darker than the rest of the stock. This particular model has the original bayonet groove. Some of the newer ones have an additional lip on top. This one does not have that. I received the firearm, doesn't have too much cosmoline on it. Very little cosmoline. I'm still going to take it apart, clean it off, and re-lube it before I take it out to the gun range, though. Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. Was not expecting to get an M44 carbine out of the Tula factory, as those are a little bit more rare from my understanding. This one did come with oil can, the cleaning accessories. Even has a cleaning rod there still attached. But it's again overall satisfied. Maybe I'll put a video of myself firing it at the range, maybe this weekend, next week sometime when I get a chance. Definitely recommend classicfirearms.com. Thank you.